Hi everyone, and welcome to my very first video on YouTube with me, Chris Hansen. Look, I understand that we're going through a pandemic at the moment. It's pretty crap out there. We're starting to go back to normality now, which is great, It's great to get out there and actually do something. But I wanted to get creative and shoot some nice videos. But the main point is to inspire you. Make sure that you get out there and do something for yourself or for everyone else and be creative. Because at the end of the day, that's what I'm all about. Because it's fun, right? It's fun. So, in saying that, here's something that I hope entertains you. Thanks guys for watching my very first episode, and if you stick around I'm sure you'll see some educational videos, some inspirational videos, and even some entertaining videos. And guess what? We're gonna have a lot of fun here. So I hope you subscribe, and remember, never stop creating.